And this dude is called the Blavor. And if you didn't see Monday's podcast, this thing's pretty cool. Now, it has a lantern in here. This is going to be a tabletop device. This is not something I'm taking to hang in the trees with me. I might do that. I don't know. I can't tell you I can't do that because I'm going to try it. So one of the things that I did not demonstrate before was the fact that you can lay your cell phone on top and it will charge your phone while you are without a cord. So it does that wireless charging for your celly tellies. And it has a flashlight here, not a flashlight, but a lantern. And so 1, 2, 3, it's got a low, medium, and high, and then it can charge the battery, and then it'll charge your devices and everything. So I'm going to give you all the input, all the output, the whole 9 yards. It has a nice little carabiner handle here, and you can take this, and it's not very heavy, a couple pounds or so to that effect. Let's see. It has some of the specifications right here, that it is a wireless output of 7.5, 10 watts, and 15 watts. It has a LED light that is 4 watts, and it is the battery capacity is 236.8 watt hours. So it's a battery backup is what it is, basically for charging your mobile devices and stuff like that when you get out into the woods. One of the biggest things that I have a problem with whenever I go outside camping is trying to keep all my camera gear charged. It's hard. It's a nightmare. I have 3 different cameras, not to mention my celly telly I use, and using all these items to really to keep them charged, you have to. And I've used big, heavy, bulky things. But I'm really interested to see how this is going to work out, because it allows me to plug in 4 devices here and charge 4 different devices at the same time. And it's got 2 USB-Cs and then 2 of the USB-As. And not everything is converted over to USB-C yet. So, we still got the big, bulky stuff anyway.